Hello, and welcome to this Sunday, July 5th weekend recap. I just want to apologize to everybody for not posting anything lately, but my laptop screen broke and my battery died. And because of the COVID shutdown, I had to wait a week for an appointment with Apple to confirm my battery issue and then wait almost another week for the battery to arrive. But that's all been taken care of. Things could always be worse, always positive. But I am back and running and just in time too, because as you all know, I've been calling for a dead cat bounce and retest of the March lows. I had expected a turn down during the week of March 18th. And if not, that the dead cat bounce would get pushed back to the next 8.6 weekly period, which is the week of July 20th to July 24th. Now, to be clear, I do not expect to reach the March lows in July, but I do expect a sell-off in the Dow and equities overall to begin after this 4th of July weekend and beyond July 24th and throughout this third quarter of 2020. I'm so confident in this that I placed a trade this past week on July 1st, 2020 to start or restart my $500 to $1 million challenge. I did place a trade earlier in April, which I was going to use as my live example, but I ended up using the account for some of my own personal trades, and I also expected another dip in the VIXY. I ended up making $4 on the whole trade, but the whole purpose was to buy the dip on the VIXY that I anticipated coming up. So I opened a separate account with only $530 so I could place at least a $500 trade on the VIXY and start the $500 to $1 million challenge within an account that had no prior history and only a close as possible to $500 initial trade. Again, I'm so confident the dead cat bounce has arrived. I placed a trade in both accounts on July 1st and got in at $27.95 on the VIXY. Plus, some of my family members believed in me that they allowed me to place trades for them as well. Plus, I opened two accounts for my godsons who are both minors. Yes, you can open up trading accounts for minors and be the custodian as the adult. The more time to invest, the more time for wealth to grow, and hopefully my godsons benefit from this for years to come. I started both of them with $250, and the actual trades came in coincidentally at $249.84. Perfect. Again, in my video on the $500 to $1 million challenge, I mentioned the VIXY follows short-term volatility. And since I expect short-term volatility and I can't short the Dow, I am trading the VIXY. The VIXY closed at 26.52 on Thursday, but that's okay. The fireworks in the markets come after this 4th of July weekend. Get your popcorn ready. Here are the numbers to watch for in the Dow for the upcoming week. The immediate bullish resistance is at 26,611 with 3 cents. In order to signal any long-term bullish trend, we need to break past and close above 27,580.21 on a daily and weekly basis. The immediate support level for the Dow is at 24,971.03, and the next support level is 24,708.54. This all correlates to my VIXY trade. Again, since I can't short the Dow, I'm trading and expecting higher volatility, which the VIXY mimics. For the VIXY, the exact resistance and support levels are hard to pin down since the prices are so low. Later, I'm going to release a video on market psychology, but whole numbers play a huge role mentally for traders, especially large whole numbers that end with zeros, like the Nasdaq's recent rally to 10,000 points. So for the VIXY, the immediate resistance is $27, then $28. And you can see the recent transition and resistance support levels at $29. I got in at $27.95, just under $28. I'm aiming for it to pop up to $31 level and then possibly more. We'll see where I'm at next week. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their 4th of July weekend and take care everyone. This next quarter is going to be very interesting. Strap up, take care, and cheers.